Looks like you are the light painter today. Going to do some abstract things.
Yeah, going to play with the...
We're playing today with Virtual Ink, our video light painting solution. It's getting very good, so interesting. And I just want to create some abstract visuals today. Kim is going to start while I set up all the cameras so we can clearly see the big monitor, the small monitors, Kim performing. I think she's going to be better than me because she's a dancer. Okay, these things are so addictive, you have no idea. So everything that you just saw happen the first day we tested the new version of Virtual Ink. I'm going to tell you exactly what this is about. Virtual Ink is a video light painting software we created in 2015 for a live performance we did at TEDx Montreal. It has been used since then in some big-scale shows, but I failed to find time for me to play with this technology. It's only a few months ago that we finally decided to make a much more polished product that is drastically faster and includes tons of new options. This new version's goal is to help you create, perform, entertain, or teach. That means it can be used either in a studio, on a stage, in a photo booth, or even in a training class. For this demo, I use a Canon 5D Mark IV, but many other cameras are compatible, including more affordable options like the Canon SL2 or the Sony a6000. I'm using a wireless remote to be able to control the exact timing for the light painting, the crossfade, or the blackout. As soon as a picture or a video is saved, it appears on your gallery. The gallery is available through a web browser, meaning you can access it even using a cell phone as long as you're on the same local network. From the gallery, you can share your photo or video by email. That feature is mostly for a photo booth, and speaking of this, you can also add a watermark or rebrand the whole sharing screen.